In this example, we're going to see how to use the calculator app on your desktop computer to use the trig function tangent for calculating the area of a regular polygon. So to find your calculator app, you can simply go to the little search bar in the bottom corner of your screen and start typing calculator, and you should see that come right up. Personally, I use this all the time, so I like to right click on it and pin it to my taskbar, which is why I have mine coming in right here. So if you click that, it's going to open it up looking like this. And to get to the trig functions, we don't want to use the standard calculator. We want to use scientific. So I'm going to click this over to scientific, and immediately I get a bunch of different options here. Now for my example polygon, I have a hexagon with 2-inch sides. So 6 sides, 2-inch sides, so I can replace n with 6 in my formula, and I can replace s with 2. So I've got to perform 6 times 2 squared over 4 times the tangent of 180 divided by 6. Anytime you're going to use any of the trig functions on your calculator, you need to make sure that your calculator is in degree mode. Sometimes you will open it up and you'll find a different mode here, which on the computer you can just kind of click through the different options. You don't want to be in radians, you want to be in degrees. And your trig functions can be found here underneath this little trigonometry menu. I find it easier with this calculator to do the trig function first and to store my result in the memory until I'm ready to use it. So I'm basically working through this fraction backwards and doing my 180 divided by 6. And then using that number, performing the tangent function on it, I get 0.577 long decimal. I can multiply that by 4, and now this result is my denominator for this fraction. So I'm going to store this in the memory, and then I'm going to perform the operation in the numerator. So 2 squared times 6 equals 24. Now I need to divide this by the long complicated decimal that I just got for the denominator. So divide by, and then memory recall, and I'll pull that number back in. And my area for this hexagon is about 10.39 square inches.